part 4 of the 50 railroad spike knives. Okay, so this next step involves a lot of twisting of the hot metal, and I don't want to keep using 2 wrenches, so I've got to do a little bit of welding. I've got me a nice antique wrench, and I'm going to weld a bar onto the end of it to make one giant twisting wrench. Make things go a lot easier in the twisting phase. So let's get to welding. Alright, so I got the wrench welded up and I've got the fire going, and I've got 4 of them in the fire. I'm going to work on those first, the special 4 first, and then hit on the rest of the 50. But I've got them in the fire, and let's get them hot and twisted. Oh, so I'm going to try twisting it and putting the S-curve in it all in one heat, but I don't know that I'm going to be able to do that. So definitely going to twist it and then see how it goes from there. I got all 4 of them twisted, put the S-curve in it, got it heat treated. They're ready to go to the shop. I'm gonna wire brush the scale off, put an edge on it. But man, it was one heck of a learning process. It took me forever to figure out what the heck was going on. But that's all right, it's a lot of fun. We got there, we got them done. Well, I hope you enjoyed the video. Give me a like, leave me a comment, subscribe if you haven't already done it, and I'll see you in part 5. Appreciate it.